Are you tired of paying high credit and debit merchant processing fees? Why not get paid instead? Zap has changed the credit card industry to offset the cost of high processing fees each month. Zap pays you monthly rebates on the businesses that you refer to Zap. Then you apply the monthly rebate check to the cost of your processing, and it quickly becomes income. Do you know 2 people that own businesses that accept credit cards? Do they hate paying high fees? Well, we can zap their fees too. After the first 2 referrals are activated, you can refer as many merchants as you'd like. The more you refer, the larger your rebates. Your rebate grows when you refer more businesses, and that replaces your fees, and quickly surpassing the amount of your fees and becoming income. And it gets more exciting. Zap also pays you for the referrals that your referrals refer, and when their referrals also use Zap. Your rebate is 10% of the profits. Zap pays 40% of its profits in referral fees. Your income also grows from your friends' referrals. You also get paid 10% of the processing from all your referrals. And when they refer, and they refer, Zap pays 4 levels deep. You get a rebate every month from each of them.
Here's a good example. Dr. Chun called Zap just 6 months ago, and his rates were lowered by Zap, instantly saving him money. So he signed up that day. He liked the way Zap customer service managed his activation. His first 3 referrals signed up, and he got a rebate just the next month. Dr. Chun believes in business networking and was very happy he didn't have to call anyone, and Zap did it all for him. He now has 14 referral pay streams going only after 6 months. His last rebate check was $4,285 because his referrals followed his lead, and those referrals did the same thing.
Because Zap has revolutionized the credit card industry, this process had to be patented.
Here's another great example. Just this December, the Tan Company called Zap to help them. They gave us 5 referrals and 3 instantly signed up with Zap. One was the software company that does all of the software for their tanning beds. The software company was excited and referred the largest tanning salon client they had, Gold Tan, because they have 1,400 locations nationwide. This gave Gold Tan instantly $12,890 per month from all of their locations. It also gave the software company almost $13,000 and the Tan Company almost $13,000. Tammy at the Tan Company laughed and she said, "Wow, I'm working with my competitors Gold Tan, and we're all making money together with Zap."
Zap is the only one that can offer this service to you. That's why companies everywhere are switching to Zap. Now we're ready to help you. Zap will meet or beat your current rates. Fax over your statement and we'll show you. With Zap, there are no contracts or cancellation fees. Just try us for 90 days. You'll see. Zap will help you end your present contract with no cancellation fees. Let Zap build an income for you. Zap is ready to work for you. We have a friendly, professional, full-time staff that is ready to build you an income. So stop losing money and start making money. It's simple. Give Zap a call today.